This 2018 Heartland Road Warrior RW 429 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Courvelle's RV. This used Heartland is 44 feet 4 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, sleeps 11, spare tire kit, external shower, water heater, TV antenna, CO detector, LP detector, slideout, oven, DVD player, TV, and 100 gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, bunk beds, bunkhouse, loft, patio deck, 2 entry, exit doors, 2 full baths, U-shaped kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Heartland Road Warrior RW 429 is 16,170 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Courvelle's RV, visit RVUSA.com.